Good morning, everyone. So for today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use two columns and how to remove columns if you want to stop using two columns in one file. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see, meron po tayong different 5 sentences. Okay, so I want this for all in the first column. Okay, and then I could also able to write in the second column. Okay, what we are going to do is go to layout tab and then insert two columns. Okay, so I cannot go here as so see I cannot go or type to the second column, and if I type also in here, so it just goes down. So what I'm going to do is to go layout tab again and do breaks and then do columns. Now the cursors is already there and I could type. Okay, and let's go down, and then para mas madali, it's easy, let us copy this to here in this column. Ayan. Okay, ayan, so it's two columns already, right? But in the next I want to stop using two columns now. I want to just have one column. Okay, but these two columns will be maintained on from the top. So what I'm going to do is go to layout and do continues. Ayan, so lumipat na siya, but let's try to type something. It's still going down. Yes, so I want one column in this part. So what I'm going to do is to insert and layout again, layout tab and columns under one column. So that's it. This is it. Yeah, I hope you are learning something for today. Thank you so much for watching.